What are arrow functions? Arrow functions are a shorthand syntax for writing JavaScript functions. They were introduced in ES6 and provide a more concise and expressive way to define functions. Syntax 1. Single parameter arrow function. Const greet equals name equals greater than console.log. Hello, plus name. 2. Multiple parameters arrow function. Const multiply equals a, b, equals greater than a asterisk b. 3. No parameters arrow function. Const say hello equals greater than console.log. Hello. Explanation. In the code above, we define a regular function called addRegular using the function keyword. It takes two parameters a and b and returns their sum using the return statement. Here we define an arrow function called addArrow using the arrow equals greater than syntax. It has the same functionality as the regular function but in a more concise form. The arrow function implicitly returns the result of the addition without using the return keyword.